So welcome back everybody, welcome back here in my new video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you my best pairs for next week, for tomorrow, that I believe this week is gonna be a beautiful week for the market. So guys, thank you so much for the 1000 subscribers. I'm very happy that we reached that milestone. Now, next step is 2000 subscribers and then we go for the 5k. Thank you so much. But stop the talking and let's open the charts. So this will be a video without any cut because I want you guys to understand how the markets are and I want to explain them to you guys. So first thing first, as you can see here on my trading view, we can see that on my list, on my watch list, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. 7 pairs, but I'm really interested in like 3 or 4 pairs. The other ones are I'm gonna watch them and maybe I will trade them. But first thing first, I have my best pairs. So let's start with my favorite pair of the week, Euro CAD. Euro CAD. As you can see guys, on the weekly time frame we are bearish. Why we are bearish? Because we were bullish, still bullish, bullish. Now new higher high because it body closed above the other one. New higher high, so this one is the lower low, the lower high, excuse me. This one is the lower high. Body closed below the lower high. Now we are bearish. We are bearish, still bearish, 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 still bearish because we didn't body close above this level right here. Now we are bearish. Now new lower low. New lower low, okay guys? New lower low. We are here, still bearish. It's not yet a lower high or not yet a lower low because we are here. So the weekly time frame is bearish. Now let's see on the daily. The daily guys, I think it's obvious. You can see it that the daily is it's bearish. It's bearish also because bullish, 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 still bullish. New high, bam, we now are bearish because we body closed below this level here that was the higher low, excuse me, the higher low. So now we see that we are bearish on the daily also, daily bearish. And now we hop on the 4-hour chart and now we see that the 4-hour is bearish too, creating lower highs and lower lows. Look, bullish, bullish, bearish, lower high, lower high, lower low. You see, it's a pattern that always repeats itself. As you can see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And now we're creating a potential lower high. What I'm gonna look for this market is on the 1-hour time frame, guys. I want to see a rejection from this area of interest and also the round psychological level 149. For those who don't know, the round psychological level is a level where banks or hedge funds sell or buy a position. Why is it called round? Because as you can see, there are 3 zeros. Banks don't sell at numbers like 1, 4, 8, 8, 3, 7. No, they sell or buy at prices with zeros, at perfect prices. So as you can see here on the 1-hour time frame, I'm gonna wait for a break and retest out of this zone. So I'm gonna wait for this thing to happen to then go short. I believe this trade will be ready tomorrow, which is Monday. So yeah guys, first pair for the week. I believe this is gonna be a beautiful pair with a take profit of a risk to reward 2.8, which is good. So next pair, GBP CAD, which is the one that Alex showed on IG, on Instagram. The only thing that I don't like on this pair rather than Euro CAD is that on the weekly we don't have a beautiful and clear area of interest. We only have one touch, 2 touches, let's say, 2 touches in the last period. But on Euro CAD, as you can see guys, 1, 2, 3 touches, 3 clear touches. So this is why I prefer Euro CAD. But the other things here we have on the daily, a head and shoulders pattern, as you can see here, left, head, right shoulder. Now we retest this zone here, which is also the area of interest, and then on the 1 hour time frame we're gonna wait for a thing like this to then go short. So yeah, this is not my best pair, it's the second pair which I'm interested in this week, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take this one if I take Euro CAD, or maybe I take both, or maybe I don't take any one of these two. So now Euro JPY, guys, let's see. Euro JPY on the weekly is unfortunately bearish. As you guys can see, we were creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, maybe a new lower high, or maybe who knows. But the weekly is bearish, but I'm gonna look for buys because the daily is bullish. Daily is bullish, guys. Look, daily is bullish, retesting the previous structure point. So this one I'm interested in only if the 4 hour time frame goes bullish. So I'm gonna expect for the 4 hour to come here, down here, to go more bearish, to then go up here, retest, and then go long. I'm gonna take this trade only if the 4 hour goes bullish. If not, nada. Euro USD. Euro USD, we have this area of interest on the weekly is bearish, we have one touch, two touches, used as support before. Now we go on the daily, beautiful zone, used as resistance, 1, 2, 3. And we have more on the left, 4, 5, okay, you know. This is a beautiful area of interest. I'm gonna wait for a week right here, a week right here, to then retest the area of interest and then go short to fill this week of the previous week, you know. Then on the daily, as you guys can see, I'm gonna wait for a little retracement down here on the round psychological level 104. Then on the 4 hour, the same thing. I wanted to retest this area, this EMA, and also go to the area of interest to then go short with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Then we have Euro AUD. Euro AUD, we have the weekly. The weekly is bullish because we were creating higher high, nothing. Now we're bearish because we body close below this level here, but now we are bullish because we body close above this level right here. So on the weekly we are bullish, but I'm gonna look for sells because on the daily, as you guys can see, we were creating higher highs and higher lows, but then we body closed under. So now we are bearish, retesting this area of interest on the daily, which is 1, 2, 3 touches, and we got more when we go to the left, because guys, look, this is a beautiful area of interest. If I drag this to the left, as you guys can see, we have a lot of touches. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this market right here to go a little further to the upside to then go short. So I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour time frame to go right here, we test the EMA, go bearish, entry signal, and then go short. As easy as it gets. So maybe I will put Euro AUD above Euro JPY, you know, because Euro JPY has to go bullish on the 4 hour. So now we have GBP USD. GBP USD, beautiful market structure. We have this area of interest on the weekly time frame with 1, 2 touches, and we got more when we go to the left. Then we go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, guys, is bearish. We have this area of interest, 1, 2, 3 touches, a lot of touches, guys. We're gonna wait for the 4 hour time frame because it's still bearish to have a retracement down here, up here, not down here, up here, to then retest the EMA, area of interest, to then go short. These guys, I believe it's gonna be a beautiful trade because we have a lot of potential, and even if the weekly, even if the 4 hour goes right here, it's still bearish, and it's gonna also retest the previous structure point, which is more confluences. More confluences we have, the more the trade has a high probability. Always, before taking a trade, always write your confluences. Ask yourself, why am I taking this trade? Why? Because you have these confluences, because the weekly is bearish, because the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish too, you have an area of interest. So always give a grade on your trade. So basically, before taking a trade, guys, you have to write all your confluences, like I'm doing now. Weekly, bearish, daily, bearish, 4 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish, ROE on the weekly. So guys, you have to write your confluences before taking a trade, because doing so, you're asking yourself, am I taking a good trade? This trade does make sense, this trade has a high probability. You have a lot of confluences towards your trade, you're gonna take it. If you have a 90%, let's say the weekly bearish is 10%, the daily is 10%, the 4 hour is 10%, this is a 30% towards the grade. 30% towards the grade. If then you have other confluences which sum up to 90%, you then take the trade. If it's 80%, you don't take it. Please don't take it, guys. It's for your strategy, for your plan, and for your future, guys. Don't take trades that you're not really into. If the trade doesn't have sense, doesn't make sense, if it doesn't look good to you first thing first, and then to the market, don't take it. If the trade, if there's the weekly bullish, no, the daily bullish, and the 4 hour bearish, it doesn't make any sense to take a short trade. No, guys, it doesn't make any sense, because you're going counter trend. So you have to write your confluences down. Now let's go to NZD CAD. I hope that what I said right now was useful to you guys. Now NZD CAD, we have this beautiful area of interest on the weekly, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and we have more when we go to the left. So this is a beautiful area of interest. Then on the daily, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and we got more when we go to the left. What I'm gonna wait for, this one to go here, to then go bearish. But the only thing is that if this one has the retracement right here, the daily maybe goes bullish. Maybe, because it can even create only a wick right here to retest the zone and then go to the downside. As you guys saw, my favorite pairs are Euro CAD, GBP CAD, Euro AUD, and Euro USD. The other ones I'm interested in, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna take them or not. So the first one, as I said, is Euro CAD. We have the weekly bearish, the daily bearish too, the 4 hour bearish too. Beautiful structure, because it's retesting the previous structure point, which is a confluence, guys. If the 4 hour is retesting the previous structure point, it's a 10% towards the grade. So write it down, write down 10% towards the grade, because it's 10%, so it's important. This one, right now, it's a 10% towards the grade. So, as I said, this is the first pair. Please, guys, look at Euro CAD. Maybe I'm gonna take it and make some good money with it. And next week I'm gonna make the video, as always. Then GBP CAD is quite similar to Euro CAD. Euro AUD, it's quite different, because we need a pullback right here to then go short. So I hope that you like the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment something if you wanna say something. Please follow my Instagram, guys, because we are 1000 on here on YouTube, but we are only 150 on IG. Please, guys, follow me even on Instagram. Let's arrive to 300 before February. So yeah, guys, please follow me on Telegram. On Telegram, guys, we have a community where you all guys are sending pictures of your trades. I'm gonna send my pictures too. We're gonna talk about trading, about business, about how we make money. It's free, guys, so please join it right now. So as I said, thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you did all the things that I said before. I hope that this week you're gonna catch a beautiful trade. Just remember, Euro CAD is the best one. Remember this, bro. And then what I'm gonna say, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice week. Bye, guys.